Hello. We have an issue with our Snaptane 5SC drone. It's accidentally got stuck on a tree, and now we have so one propeller doesn't work correctly. Now I will start the drone and show you what kind of problem we have with this drone. One gear, this motor, the gear of this motor is damaged, so we need to replace it, and I show you how to do it. Okay, we need to check. So looks like this particular motor doesn't work good. It's like we can hear the sound from the gear, and so we need to open the drone and look on this gear, and if need, we need to replace this. So, we need to remove this cap. So just put the flat screwdriver on the gap between the propeller and this cap, and just slightly push it, and then remove the cap. Then so we have an access to the screw over here. And we remove the screw, remove the propeller, and doing all the same for all other 4 propellers. So we removed all the propellers, all 4, all caps, and now we need to unscrew all these screws. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So total, not 20, 21.
Yeah, it's 21 screws over here. So we need to remove all these 21 screws to uncover the case of the drone and get access to the motor. So be careful, don't lose the screws. If you don't have a spare one, it's gonna be an issue. So we remove all screws. It's not necessary to remove this protection, the propeller protection, because it's connected to top piece of the case, of the drone case. So we don't need to remove it. We just need to unscrew all these 21 screws. 21 maybe. Yes, and then we can open this case. Okay, be careful. Carefully just open it.
Open the case.
The case. Okay. Okay, we'll open the drone case, and now we're checking all motors. So this drone has a designed, so this motor don't run propeller directly, so it uses a gear to run propellers. In some cases, when drone stuck, like our case, drone stuck on a tree, so on the pinion, the motor will be still running, but propeller not running. So this gear not running, and this pinion running and just damaged tooth all on the gear over here. So right, you can see. So I turn this gear, but sometimes the pinion not running, not turning. It means this tooth over here on this gear wheel damaged, and this gear wheel need to be replaced. So over here you can see, so there is the screw right behind the wheel, and we need to have an access to this screw. We need to turn the wheel like to have this hole just above the screw and get access to this screw, and through this hole you can put the screwdriver and unscrew this to remove this gear. Next we need to unscrew this side. And so we remove completely all this gear with the motor, like gear motor assembly. And we need to remove replace this particular gear wheel over here.
Go.
Okay, you see how I spin the gear wheel, and same time the pinion on a motor, it's not spinning, not turning, because the tooth on the gear wheel not damaged. So we need to replace this gear wheel.
Okay.
So now we're removing the motor from this gear assembly. So we have separate the motor and this gear wheel, and we have a spare the spare gear assembly, and now we're putting this motor back. So we put this motor back, and now you see it spins smoothly. Okay, and now we need to install this gear assembly with motor gear back to its place. And screw it back. Okay, same time, so we go through the hole and getting this screw. So we're going to test how our gear works now. So no any sounds. Okay. Okay, so it's spinning well. So I believe we can assemble all together and try to test the drone outside how it flies. Okay, this way. So be sure all wires not sticking out from the case, everything inside, everything in its place. So now we need to put all screws.
Go.
Okay, so we put all screws for the case. Now we need to install our propellers back. Okay, so first of all we need to be sure. So this is which propellers goes to which place, because each propeller has a number A2, B2. So the A2 goes to the front, I believe. Yes. So this is A. You see over here, this is number A. This goes to this place because it's different. You see, this is the propeller is different. So this propeller turns clockwise. This is counterclockwise. So I need to be careful. So I think we need to install those caps on each propeller. We put all propellers in place. Now we need to, last thing we need to install those caps on each place. This. This. Okay, so everything ready to test outside. Now we're gonna test our drone.
Wow.
So now I can see it's fully functioning.
Turn off, turn off, turn off, turn off. Amazing.
Amazing. So we fix that. Thank you for watching. All spare parts in the link under this video. Click subscribe and like this video. Thank you.